Formula LB liver gallbladder. Hello, Doc Wheelwright created this formula as a general liver gallbladder tonic to capitalize on the impact that beetroot, one of his favorite herbs for the liver gallbladder, has on overall nutrition support of the liver and gallbladder, particularly with special emphasis on fat digestion. Now, the gallbladder is revered in traditional Chinese medicine. Unfortunately, it's often neglected in the Western medical model. But in natural health, we understand that if there's an entire body meridian called the gallbladder meridian, there's some grand importance to the humble gallbladder beyond just being a reservoir for the bile. And so this formula has a powerful emphasis on fat digestion. In traditional Chinese medicine, a healthy gallbladder is associated with courage and initiative, and it's also a primary meridian for the body's innate energy system. So the gallbladder serves as a primary exit portal for the body's self-purification processes. In other words, the toxins and heavy metals and cellular metabolic waste are processed by the liver. Much of that will go to the gallbladder to be emptied into the small intestine, where it'll eventually come out through the colon and be removed from the body. In nature's plan, as the small intestine receives the bile that may have mercury and lead and aluminum and metabolic waste in it, that the gut microbiome would be able to work on that and neutralize it. Also, the fibers that support the gut microbiome of having a proper prebiotic or fibers in the diet, they would bond with these toxins so they come out of the body and they're not reabsorbed into the body. That's nature's plan. This formula was to work with the gallbladder and the ability of the bile to emulsify and serve us for fat digestion, and to also work with the gallbladder because it's under more stress today than perhaps ever before, because it's simply passing more and more toxins through its channels. So the gallbladder can become dysfunctional due to poor pH of the bile. It can create soapstones within itself due to that kind of disturbance and the impact of environmental toxins that enter that reservoir for elimination. So Doc employed the red beetroot. Now, this supports the normal nitric oxide processes that regulate many cellular metabolic process. So this functions of nitric oxide include vascular dilation, relaxation, and Doc looked at the red beet as being a tonic, that it had potent antioxidants in it. Now, this also contains nascent folate, which is extremely important, not folic acid, but nascent folate, nascent iron. Red beet nourishes the brain and the blood. It supports normal blood purification and cellular maintenance processes. So Doc would not say enough about the wonders of red beet. This formula also carries the betaine hydrochloride, which helps to normalize the hydrochloric acid production in the stomach, which also helps maintain the bile viscosity. Choline bitartrate is utilized here to help with digestion of fats and the digestions of cholesterol and carbohydrates and proteins. So it's a very important digestive aid there, and it's essential to liver and gallbladder function via the acetylcholine that's required for both liver and cardiovascular healthy function. Finally, lipase 24. This is a fat digestive enzyme that regulates not only the digestion of fats, but it supports the pancreas, the liver, and the gallbladder's normal lipid maintenance faculties. Hepatic use of lipase 24 enzyme is to hydrolyze fats for uptake by the cell membranes. This is where energy is made to make the ATP, critically important. Revered and not as easily cast aside in our natural health disciplines, naturopathic literature abounds in the care and maintenance of the gallbladder, including periodic flushes to help the body maintain gallbladder integrity. Clinicians often include Formula LB when designing comprehensive liver programs because The gallbladder is often considered the liver's third lobe, and therefore this formula finds its way into many of the gallbladder and liver together supportive type programs. Thank you.